Hey folks!
How's it going, eh?
My name's Tanner O'Brien.
My name's DJ Superglue.
We're coming to you live from beautiful Alberta, Canada.
AKA the Holy Land.
And we're going to teach you
how to shotgun a beer.
Let's get into this thing. Hold on, we don't got time for that. Let's get right into this thing.
Few healthy tips, all right? You don't want to be poking knives through the can.
Oh shit, what happened there, bud?
Fuck. Stop.
That's friggin' Heinz, eh?
You want to do it as fast as you can to impress your friends.
Oh god, I got a stomach ulcer now.
Because remember, at the end of the night, it's not he who drinks the most amount of beer, it's he who drank them the quickest. Bitch.
Don't spill.
Don't spill.
Don't waste.
Don't spill.
Stop wasting.
Quit wasting it. You look like a goof.
Try to open your throat. Big hole.
Like my ex-boyfriend.
Yeah.
All right, so how you're gonna wanna start out here is you're gonna wanna take an old beer tab. You're gonna wanna bend it in half, okay? Take your can, have your gullet side up, tab pointing down, then follow it, trace it right back to the top of the can, tilt it. You're gonna have a nice little air pocket here. Take your tab and put a nice little gash in there. And you're gonna twist it, open her wide open. Congratulations, you now have a hole in your can and zero spill. You're on your way to being a shotgunning legend in your neck of the woods. Now you're gonna wanna take your tab that's now pointing down, as I showed you earlier, put your fingers under it, your 2 fingernails, put it up to your mouth, you're gonna tilt and twist action, and you're gonna begin sucking. I've never fucked up a shotgun before.
I so have.
God damn it. All right, folks, that's enough goofing around. We gotta show you how to properly pull this off so you can look like the coolest guy in front of all your dumb fuck buddies.
Why do we have a vacuum? Now, when you're shotgunning beer in Canada, you don't want to be spilling at your mother's floor. It's probably new or it's made of hardwood. So priorities are not spilling in your mom's home. When you're doing the shotgun, give it that angle. Make sure the air bubble is up here. If not, you're gonna be spraying beer all over the place. What I like to do is use a little key or a knife, line your tab up, keep it upright, just like so. You're not gonna spill a drop. Not at your mom's house, nowhere. I like to bring her across. Bring her across, and then lift downwards on the can, keeping it angled, not spilling. Now that you have a sizey hole, you're gonna wanna suck as much as that vacuum cleaner. Shotgun o'clock, buddy.
Put her up to your mouth, and you're gonna rotate her over and crack her as you're halfway through your rotation. And you're gonna want the tab pointing straight up. Once you do that, you're gonna wanna get to sucking. This creates a venturi in the can, which allows the air to flow through here, out here, and down your gullet. Ask my ex-boyfriend about it. He'll tell you all about opening your throat.
Learn how to suck.
That's what you're gonna wanna do, is you're gonna wanna put a big old suck on that can there.
I use a key. You can use as many tools as you want.
Any type of tool. You wanna use your goddamn grandma's earrings, you can use your goddamn grandma's earrings. Now we want to thank you all for coming along and learning how to shotgun here on Tireroasters Garage. If you got any value out of this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, smash that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial here on Tireroasters Garage. Skirt. We're coming to you here from Alberta. Yeah, vacuum up that mess there, bud.